Alright guys, welcome to my tutorial video. This is Ali Mabiodun. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be taking us through on how to download and extract various PSD files just like this. On how to download various PSD files just like this for free. Actually, if you need a tutorial video on how to download premium PSD files just like the one that is showing here, you can just check the description box to get the link to the video there. I'm going to be guiding you through on how to extract and download your various PSD file, be it your logo or text effect. So kindly stick around me to the end of this tutorial video. I'll be showing you how to get everything in a minute. So just sit right and stay with me till the end of this tutorial video. See you in this tutorial video. So for the sake of this tutorial video, we'll be making use of a particular application called Z-Archiver or Zchiver application. So I'll be heading to my Play Store now, basically to show us the icon of the application which we'll be needing to extract our various PSD or mockup files. So we for the sake of this job, we'll be making of our Z-Archiver or Zchiver application, basically to extract our PSD file. So this is the application which I'm trying to talk about. So just head over to your Play Store App Store to download this particular application. After downloading it, because we need to download the application before we start to do anything, so kindly stick around me to the end of this tutorial video. Let's dive into the main. Alright, welcome back to my tutorial video. So for the sake of this tutorial video, I'll be making use of our Chrome browser as usual, basically to locate the PSD file which we needed, and also how to successfully download it to our phone. Kindly stick around me to the end of this tutorial video. Please, if this is your first time of coming across my tutorial video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. It goes a long way. So for the sake of this tutorial video, I'll just be heading over to my Play Store and I'll be searching I'll be heading over to my Chrome as I did now. So I'll be searching for a golden text effects PSD file. So kindly stick around me to the end. I'll just click on this place. So basically in this tutorial video, I'll be downloading any text effects, because if you need a tutorial video on how to download premium text effects files just like this, let me show you. So I just want to show you how it looks, because all those text effects that has crown just like this, they are called premium text effects. If you need a tutorial video on how to download it, check the description box below to get it there. So I just want to be showing us on how to download any free PSD file or free mockup files for free. You can actually download anyone that is free, then extract it, because without extracting those PSD files just like this one, just like this particular text effect, without extracting it to your phone, you might not be able to use it on Photopea. You might not be able to use it on the Photopea app. So kindly stick around me to the end of this tutorial video. So for the sake of this tutorial video, I'll be downloading this particular PSD file from this site. So this is actually free, it's not a premium PSD file. So kindly stick around me to the end of this tutorial video. So it is downloading. Let me click on it like this. Yeah, so let's wait for it to finish download. So I'll be showing you how to extract it, how to successfully extract it to your phone, and how to use it. So kindly stick around me to the end of the video. So I'll just be clicking on this particular text effects which I just downloaded. So kindly stick around me to the end of the video. So I'll be heading over to my Z-Archiver app. I don't know, maybe that is how your phone is. Going to pop up to show you from various applications which you can open with this particular text effect. Are you getting it? But for me, I'm going to be using my Z-Archiver. The reason why I'm saying this is that it might bring to Z-Archiver icon for you. Just click on the first one just like this one, because if you click on this one, you might not get it. It is going to be showing you something. Okay, I've clicked on it. Let me show you what it's going to be showing you. Let me just do that so you can easily get what I'm trying to say. Let me click on it and I will show you the problem I'm trying to solve. So you should not click on this. You should click on the first one, not the second one. If you notice, this one says Z Archiver Extractor. Don't click on it. Just click on the normal Z Archiver. Let me just show you something. Let me click on it. Just once. You might not get the answer. You might not get what you want from this. Can you see it? It is going to tell you that archive is corrupted. That is the reason why I told you not to make use of that. Then let me just go back. Let me go back. Let me just go back. So you should not make use of this particular Z Archiver Extractor. You should not make use of it. Just make use of the normal Z Archiver icon app or Z Archiver app. Don't make use of this one. So I'm just going to click on just once. Though it might not bring it like that in your own phone. It depends. So after clicking on it, you notice that this is what it shows me. Don't click on this particular picture like icon. If you click on it, it is a picture. You won't get what you want. Just click on this particular one that looks like empty paper. This particular one. Just click on it. After clicking on them, you are going to click on extract. After clicking on extract, then it is better for you to create a new folder for it. Create a new folder so that you'll be able to locate it whenever you want to be making use of it on our Photopea. So that it is going to be very easy for you to locate it. Because if you don't save it in a particular file that you can easily locate it, you might not get it. So that is that about that. I'm going to be clearing the name, basically to give it a name, to give it a sweet name, so that it will be very easy for me to locate. Just do it that way, so that the name that you'll be putting there, it will be very easy for you to easily locate it when you want to make use of it on Photopea site. So let me just put text effect. If I put text effect out, it will be very easy for me to locate it whenever I want to make use of it on the Photopea app. Then after creating the folder, you are going to click on this particular icon. Just click on it, and automatically the 3D can you see it? It has been successfully extracted. So whenever you want to make use of it on the Photopea site or the Photopea app, just try to locate this particular text effect something. You head over to your Z Archiver app. After heading over to it, then you are going to locate this particular, that is the name which you create the folder with. Just locate it, and automatically the file will be uploaded to your Photopea app. So basically, if you need a tutorial video on how to make use of the Photopea app to edit your text effects, check the description box. And also, if you need a tutorial video on how to mock up, to do logo mockup on Photopea app, just check the description box. So this is where we'll be stopping this particular tutorial video. So thank you for sticking around with me to the end of this tutorial video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. It goes a long way. See you in the next tutorial video.